Hello and welcome. This is the first video in a series titled Note to Self, There's Nobody Better, where I discuss body image and body dysmorphia and reasons why each of us, including myself, can love and appreciate how we were made. Today I'll be discussing the first point. Focus on the function and not the fineness. Imagine there's a building that is about to collapse. There are cracks in the walls, the roof is leaking, one of the windows is broken, the front door lock is faulty, the plumbing is messed up, the rooms are infested with rats, ants, cockroaches, and so many other insects and creepy crawlies all over the place. But the owner of the house is only focusing on painting the exterior of the house and making the front porch look attractive. I'm using this analogy to talk about how we treat and see our bodies. A lot of times we are tempted to focus on the exterior, which isn't entirely a bad thing. But I think we need to start looking at the interior, what is inside. It will be tragic for you to spend all your time trying to look beautiful on the outside when the inside of you is crying for help. That's why I use the analogy of the house. Exteriors are important, but interiors take priority for two reasons. Number one, the quality of the interior determines the quality of your life. An unhealthy interior often leads to a poorer quality of life. And this is true not just for homes, but for our bodies too. You deserve to live in a healthy home, and you deserve to live in a healthy body. Reason number two, suppose that by painting and embellishing the exterior, that owner succeeds in catching someone's attention, and they come closer and closer to the house until they discover what's inside. Do you think they will be happy to stay in that house? The prettiest front porches can't make up for an uninhabitable home because nobody can live on the front porch 24/7. The outside might get you noticed, but the inside matters more to anyone who wants to stay in the house long term. And just like you deserve to live in a healthy home, anyone who is going to be living with you deserves that healthy home too. So if you are dissatisfied with your body, or even a particular part of your body, and you wish you had it different or had someone else's, I invite you to ask yourself, what is the function of this body part? Is it functioning as it should for me? If it isn't, take steps to make sure that the function is okay first before you dedicate all your energy to the fineness. This doesn't mean you should neglect your appearance, but realize what is most important and what truly deserves your energy, resources, and money. Our society has unfortunately made us focus so much on the shapes of our bodies that we have neglected the states of our bodies. Try to focus on the function of whatever body part you are concerned about, because illness is no respecter of appearance. Here's an action point. Take a few minutes today and think about the parts of your body that you wish were different. For each body part, ask yourself, is it working well? Is it doing what God made it to do? What it is physiologically supposed to do? You can search on the internet for the functions of the various body parts. If it is working well, if it is working as it should, be thankful and try to leave it alone. A wise man once said, if it ain't broke, then don't try to fix it. If, however, it isn't working well, ask yourself, how can I get it to work? And plan how you are going to tackle that problem. Schedule a consultation at a hospital near you. Book to see a skin specialist. Set a date to get your ears cleaned. Visit the dentist. Call a physiotherapist. Do something. The bottom line is, get your body checked. Optimize your interior. Focus on the function and not just the fineness. Because you deserve to live in a body that is not just attractive, but healthy too. Have a blessed day.